Hello, my name is Praveen and this is my father, Satish Rao. 3 months back, we did visit Dr. Preeti in Dr. Agarwals Eye Hospital. He had done off with this cornea replacement surgery. When we did come here, it was more for cataract surgery, but we got to understood from Dr. Preeti that he has to undergo a cornea replacement surgery. Yeah, initially we had some kind of doubt in our mind. How does it work? What would happen? And so on. We got some comforting words from Dr. Preeti and then we went ahead with the surgery. Now he's doing good. It was for his left eye, and now in the last week we had also done off with the cataract surgery for the right eye.
I had a eyesight problem. I thought that initially it is a small cataract since I'm an old this thing. But later on diagnosis, I found out that it is a corneal problem and all. I was as usual, I was really a little bit worried. But after meeting Dr. Preeti and her level of talks, it made me to agree for the surgery, and everything went on very well. Now I can assure everyone, whoever wants to go for a cornea replacement, they need not worry about it. They can go straight and come to Dr. Agarwal Eye Hospital and can do the surgery, and they can be rest assured about their vision. Thanks a lot once again to Dr. Preeti to give all the support to me and Dr. Agarwal Eye Hospital also once again.